Hey everyone, today we're going to learn about how to add a Postgres database as a data source in Grafana. Okay, so let me log into Grafana, admin, log in, skip this. So the first step is to go to connections, data sources, and add a new data source. And I'm going to search for Postgres here. And I will leave the name as is, and you can also make this data source as a default when you create a dashboard. I'm not gonna do that, and you need to fill out all the required fields like host URL. So in my case, I'm going to use localhost, and I got the details here, 5433, which is not the default port number. Yeah, the default is 5432. Okay, and the database name is testdb. That's the database name. Username is Postgres. So for the TLS SSL mode, I'm going to disable it because this is just a test environment. And yeah, these are all the details that I need. So I'm going to save and test, and it says database connection okay. Next, you can start to visualize data by building a dashboard or querying data in the Explorer view. So I'm going to start building a dashboard, add visualization, and I'm going to select the data source that we just added. This one, Grafana Postgres data source. Okay, and let me just close that. Oops. So here you got options. So you can either use the builder option or the code option. I'm going to use the code option, and I'm just going to display all the information that I have in that database. Okay, so select all from network devices, semicolon. And let me just review that. Yeah, this is the command. Okay, and I'm going to choose the table panel under visualization, table, and run query. And now we can see the table that we have in the database. And I have that Postgres database here. So this is the actual table. So the name of the table is network underscore devices. And we can see the columns here in the data. That's the same with what we have here in this panel or dashboard. Okay, and we can rename the title of the panel. So I'm going to say device details, save, and I can say the name of the dashboard is device inventory, save, back to dashboard. So yeah, this is the dashboard and the panel that we created. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.